You're never, ever gonna guess where we are. Actually, you probably will, because I've been talking about it for the past month. We're here in Chicago. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Chicago, Illinois. Boys, we have some amazing news. The Gallardo is here in Chicago. I'm dropping it off at B-Rogue Built to have the car twin turbocharged. It'll soon be the most powerful car in the entire garage. However, there is a slight caveat. You see, late last night I got to Chicago and I parked the car in one of those discreet parking garages, and I think it was that way, but it might have been that way. I don't recall crossing a river last night, so I'm pretty sure it's not on that side. That being said, it could be. We're gonna start walking that way. I just want to point out, it is December 22nd, and I'm wearing a t-shirt in Chicago, Illinois. Also, at 7 p.m., I need to catch a flight back to Salt Lake City, and then immediately we're hopping in the Jeep, and we're driving to Oregon for Christmas. So the parking garage I pulled into is right there, but there's not an entrance, and I need to get down there. Let's try G3. Presumably the car is somewhere in here. This morning's journey was really a story of inspiration and survival, but just like all great stories, eventually, well, yeah, we found the car. I don't know exactly where we got dumped out, but... It is December 22nd in Chicago, and check it out. Are you kidding? It's like a perfect day. All right, so we're headed that way, and that way. So late last night, we hit 50,000 miles in the Gallardo, and on that bombshell, a celebrity guest. What do you got in the box?
This is a gift for the viewers.
Whoa!
Just wait till you see what's in this box.
Whoa, look at that. That's a McLaren F1.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Oh, you get to choose your color.
Wait, are you serious?
I literally was at CVS last night, and I was like, how do they have McLaren F1s at CVS?
You should have bought all of them. This is sick.
I got one for Gordon too. His is upstairs.
Lexus LFA and Porsche Carrera GT owners, RIP. Okay, we gotta chill. We are not on probation in Illinois right now, and we don't want to be. We got traction control right there. We're shaking and baking right now. It's easier to beg for forgiveness than to ask for permission. Check this out. Are you kidding me? That is so sick. We got the Sears Tower out there front and center. The Gallardo is just flexing on the world here in Chicago, Illinois. If you look really closely, there's security right there, and I don't think he's happy, but we're good. We got the shot. He might be coming to pull. I don't think he is. I think we're good. We're not gonna go full sim though, just in case. Also, Chicago looks so sick.
Dude, they got bigger things to worry about. Look
That's right, they do. What? That's the Willis Tower. It's actually the Sears Tower, but they call it the Willis. We have just arrived here to B-Rogue Built in Chicago, Illinois. I kind of sort of snaked you guys. I just had a strawberry banana waffle that was absolutely amazing with Brandon from B-Rogue Built, and we just came up with an idea. We're gonna convert my Gallardo to rear-wheel drive today. We're rocking the winter tires. By the time I pick up the Gallardo in like 4 or 5 months when the twin turbo is done, it's gonna be summertime. We have no need whatsoever for those winter tires. So rear-wheel drive conversion, we are going to shred these winter tires. We got the twin turbo Huracan right here, as well as the 488 Pista. Also, my Gallardo is an absolute disaster. Like, I don't know if you can see how dirty it is. We've arrived here to B-Rogue Built, where simplicity is complicated. Welcome to the back vault at B-Rogue Built. If you guys like twin turbos and single turbos, this is the spot. We got the V10 Plus Decennium right there, another R8. We got the Mercy Roadster, another R8. And like I said, my Gallardo is being converted to rear wheel drive. I have never spun dry donuts in the Gallardo, and this seems like the right day. We got the Gallardo Superleggera. This is getting a single turbo, and we got the Huracan right there, getting ready for twin turbo. Like I said, it's gonna be a good day in Chicago. We're gonna go take a... Oh, it's always a good day in a twin turbo Huracan. We're talking right around 1,000 crank horsepower, roughly 850, 880 to the wheels. This thing is sick. Samir, welcome to the channel. What do you think?
Oh my God, kidding me? This thing is, I absolutely love it, you know? Just to take this thing out is a whole different level of exhilaration. Oh my God.
When it's 50 degrees in Chicago in December, like, this shouldn't be happening. a beautiful day in the beautiful state of Illinois in the twin turbo Huracan.
And we get a little downshift right here.
We like downshifts. The viewers like the downshifts. The crackles are so good on this car. Jeez, those turbos is like.
Like Brandon does such a good job. Oh my God, I'm so happy with the build.
That was definitely 55. Samir's just like me. That was 55 miles an hour. I'm sure. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure.
My right foot's a little heavy in this car. I don't know, you know.
The turbos are so lively on this car. Whew. The twin turbo Huracan from B-Rogue built. Such a sick car. 488 Pista, and then check this out, Mike, 312 Supercars out of nowhere brought the 360 gated and the 488 Pista. This spec with the blue and yellow looks so good, and like every single carbon option you can imagine is on this car. Oh, this is sick. What? I've never been in a Pista before.
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, there's tires. Oh jeez. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? That's insane! I had no idea 488 Pista was that quick. You can I can feel my veins like popping out of my neck right now. Oh, whoa, okay. Respect to Ferrari. That's insane.
Yeah, it is. It struggles with the traction, but it is.
Jeez. I'm gonna do a little round 2 session. I was not expecting that. Now I am mentally and physically prepared. I just tightened my seatbelt a little bit. Okay, we're good, we're good. Jeez. The tires are shaking and baking. No way. Wow. Okay. Add it to the list, boys. We're getting a Pista. I just had an idea. How good does purple and yellow look? Like, what if I wrap the other 4 cars yellow to complement the purple?
I think that's a great idea.
That would be cool. This is sick. That's a good I like. I was freaking out over all the carbon fiber and the spec on this car. That car is insane. Like, if you've never been in a 488 Pista, find one, which you won't because it's a limited edition supercar, but like, that is insane. Respect to Ferrari. This might be the most exciting sequence in a vlog ever. That is the drive shaft off my Lamborghini Gallardo. It is officially rear wheel drive. But check this out. This is one of the turbos that is gonna be going in this car. Now, I don't wanna release like any official horsepower numbers quite yet, but imagine somewhere in the neighborhood of 500 to 750 wheel horsepower. So honestly, like these turbos are pretty heavy and like my arm's starting to shake, but we're good, we're good, we're good. There they are, $6,600 for these 2 turbos, and there's the drive shaft off the Gallardo. So these tires are gonna be shredded shortly. If you could leave your condolences in the comments below. This could kind of go sort of 2 ways. Either A, I hit that rock over there, or B, I don't. That wasn't bad.
Dude, that was
Those
sick.
were good donuts. I read the comments in the last vlog. I don't know how to do donuts in a Ford GT or 430 Challenge, but I'm getting better, and that's all you can ask for. You gonna spin it or not?
I need some instruction here.
What are you waiting for, bro? Yeah, I can teach you. Make me look good, okay?
I'm gonna try. I don't know.
Make me look good. Basically, make yourself look bad. Breathe it in. Oh, wait, did you stall it? Did you stall it? Bro, jeez. You're a professional. You're making me look bad. It's like amateur hour when I'm driving and Alex is just spinning perfect donuts. I gotta get better, but I'm out here. I'm being tenacious, relentless. I'm trying to get better. I'm just not very good yet, but soon I will be. This is it, boys. This is the last time we are ever gonna hear a naturally aspirated V10 Gallardo. Wait for it. Breathe it in. Oh. Jeez, bro. I'm getting old. I can't hear anymore. It sounds so good. I'm trying to hold this turbo as steady as possible. It's very heavy. So this turbo set, $6,200. Now, as far as the technicality of the build, obviously that is not my strength. So Brandon from B Rogue is gonna give us a quick synopsis of what's happening with the car, because I'm flying to Salt Lake here in like 2 hours, and this car's gonna be here for like, what, 3-4 months?
Yeah, till spring.
Okay, so yeah, if you could give us a quick rundown on what's gonna happen to the G.
Yep. So basically, we try to build cars a little differently here. We try to go the extra mile. And part of the reason we use the oilless turbos is because we don't want to interfere with the car's factory oiling system. So that doesn't influence any premature oil wear or no fluctuations in the oil pressure, anything like that. So you get a little bit more longevity out of the car, the motor, and more health. So
one of the goals, I have 50,000 miles on this car as of yesterday.
Yep.
I want to put 6 figures on this thing.
Yep. So do we.
Yeah, and that's why these turbos are so expensive. Like you said, they're oilless.
Yep.
Actually, I'm gonna have you hold that because Brandon's a little bit better built than me. Guys, I'm gonna start lifting soon. Don't worry.
Turbo curls.
Yes, exactly. Turbo curls.
Yep.
So power numbers, we're not gonna release the power numbers quite yet, but we want the car to be usable. We're not gonna be, breaking land speed records. We're not looking for 2,000 horsepower, but we want it to be just enough.
Yeah, enough. At least faster than everything else,
Yes.
So plus we got to work with where you live and the 91 octane. So
exactly, yeah.
Everyone in the car world knows that 91 octane is pretty limiting. So
right, and I live at around 5,000 feet in elevation, so there's that. As far as flames, will we see flames?
We will see flames.
If you had to guess how long the flames are going to be, what would be your best guess? I'm so childish. I'm so immature. I'm probably your most immature customer, right?
I don't know. Have you met Oil Brothers?
True, Matt. If you guys don't know Matt, he's very immature. I'm probably also the worst at doing donuts, but one of the goals with this car is to make it super reliable so that I can spin it without blowing up the car.
Yeah, and that's how we do everything anyways. That's obviously the number one goal is reliability, like reliable horsepower. So
right.
Anyone can go for glory runs, but we don't like to do that. We like fast, reliable cars. So
right.
That's what we do.
Awesome, man. Well, I'm so excited. So I'm flying to Salt Lake tonight, but I'll be back probably a couple times, maybe February, maybe March, April, to come check up on the car. But thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Excited to work with you. And guys, this car is going to be so insane. Like Brandon said, we're going to see flames from here all the way to North Carolina. Alex is taking us to the airport in the Pista.
That's right. Sorry.
Wait, why are we still walking this way? Good day, strong day here in Chicago, Illinois. The next time we're here is going to be in February, I think. We got a 4-hour flight to Salt Lake City, Utah. The Burlacker's gonna pick me up. We're racing home, we're grabbing the Jeep, and we're driving 12 hours to Bend, Oregon. So I will see you guys on the other side.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Salt Lake City, where the local time is about 9:50.
And just like that, we're back here in the beautiful state of Utah. Guys, I forgot to mention, when I was in Minnesota, I met the Minnesota Highway Patrol. I gotta tell you all about it, but it feels good to be home. Out of nowhere, we got a wild Burlacker. Are you kidding me?
You're still vlogging?
I'm still vlogging. It's been one of those days. It's been a long day. We almost ended up in jail in Minnesota. It was crazy.
Yeah, sorry, but I may hate these old people.
You're not even in the Mustang. Yo, you are a BMW. Dude, I just realized the Burlacker's a BMW and a Mustang driver combined into one. Let that sink in, boys. And on that bombshell, we're headed home. And just like that, we have arrived back to home, sweet home. Originally, the plan was to get home, hop in the Gladiator, and drive 12 hours in the middle of the night back to Oregon for Christmas. But now that I'm home, I'm way too tired. I'm tapping out. We'll leave first thing in the morning. The journey in the Gallardo from Salt Lake City off to Chicago was amazing. It was about 2,000 miles. I kind of sort of took the long way around. I went up to Mount Rushmore in South Dakota. I went to the Badlands. I didn't film any of the journey out there except in Minnesota. So I should know better. I have got to calm down. As you guys know, I got pulled over in the Aventador like a month ago, and I'm currently on probation. If I get pulled over in the state of Utah in any of my cars within the next 60 days, that ticket goes on my record, as well as the old ticket that I got in the Aventador. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out right now. So I'm on probation. I should know better. Well, in Minnesota, I got lit up. I got pulled over by the Minnesota Highway Patrol. The interaction was amazing. It was probably the best interaction I've ever had. We're gonna flash back to that footage right now. So I will see you guys in Minnesota. Yes, Minnesota. How's it going?
Good. I'll be straight with you. You were speeding. I really just wanted to check out your car.
Okay.
You're going 10 over, so I'm just cutting you a warning, more or less. Just wanted to check the car out. Right?
Okay, awesome, man.
You got your license on?
I do, yes.
And then proof of insurance as well.
I have it on my phone.
Is this your car?
It is, yes.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a YouTuber.
A YouTuber?
Yes.
What channel?
Stradman, STRADMAN.
What type of videos?
Car videos.
Okay.
I'm driving this to Chicago right now.
Okay.
There's a shop called B-Rogue Built.
Okay.
And I'm dropping this car off there to have it twin turboed.
Okay.
So I'm driving out from Utah to Chicago right now. So.
Stradman, okay.
Stradman, yep. Yeah, just like the STRAD,
Yep,
that's my, yeah.
Looks like I'm in the wrong business then if you can drive Lambos for a living.
It turned into something I never imagined it would.
Yeah.
When I first started, just out of passion, just for cars.
Yep.
And then the channel just kind of got bigger and bigger and bigger, and it then allowed me to actually buy the cars that I was filming, which is kind of cool, yeah.
There you go. If you want to work on your insurance, I'm not really concerned that you don't have it, especially with a car like this.
Okay.
I'll just run you, make sure you're not wanted for murder, nothing.
Okay, sounds good.
And then we'll get you out of here, all right?
Okay, awesome. Thanks, man.
This is the coolest police officer ever. Shout out to the beautiful state of Minnesota. Super cool guy. We're only gonna get a warning, 10 over. Yeah, I kind of was. I've been driving for like 40 hours across America. It's been difficult. Also, I'm running late for a birthday party in Chicago that I need to get to. Yeah.
All right, boss. Here's this for you.
Cool.
Like I said, just a verbal warning. Speed limit 70, and I'm sure you'd like to not get smoked, so
Yeah.
you should probably hammer on it out of here, right?
Okay.
At least up to the speed limit, right?
Okay, sounds good, man. Thank you. Have a good one. I appreciate it.
I'm pretty sure that officer just told me to hammer it out of here. So, yeah. That is officially the coolest police officer I have ever met in my entire life. He just told me to hammer it out of here up to the speed limit. Okay, so we still have like 6 hours to Chicago, but whew, dodged a bullet right there. And we're back to the beautiful state of Utah. Like I said, that Minnesota Highway Patrol officer is the coolest police officer I have ever met. He might be a new subscriber. We might be talking to him right now. If so, I hope that I hope that you have a Merry Christmas. I also hope everybody else watching today's video has a Merry Christmas. I'm headed home to Oregon tomorrow. I'm not sure when my next video is going to be. I'm going to go spend some time with the family. So I might see you guys in 2019, or I might see you guys in 2020. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.